The only other option is the denial of consummation. No two purebred alphas can survive without marking.
I know that I just spoke out of terms and I disrespected everyone in the room, but I really want to leave.
You can't, Laura.
Look, it was my plan, okay? I was leaving, I was going away. And it doesn't have to change.
We'll still be linked. It'll make us miserable. Don't you understand?
Then what? All I'm hearing is hopeless submission or death.
They're not Amber.
What?
Your eyes. When you're looking at Wolf Peaks, they're not Amber. No one has red. We all have Amber. Show me.
I don't know what does the color signify?